All right, this is question number 1. It says the intelligence quotient, or IQ, is normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. What group describes 16% of the population? So if we take our bell curve, we put 100 as our mean, 15%, or 15 is our standard deviation. So we have 15 to the right and to the left. Okay, so we have 100 as our mean, and 15 is our spread or standard deviation, 15 going out to the right, 15 going backwards. So this is our number line, and here's our bell curve. According to our empirical rule, or the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, we have these percentages here. Okay? So the question is, what group describes 16% of the population? Well, if we look at this percentage here, this is 13.5%. This is also 2.35%. Okay, and together this adds up to 15.85%. So from here to here is 15.75%, or 85%. It's around 16%. Okay, the same occurs on the other side. You get 13.5 and 2.35. Okay, where are we getting these percentages? It's coming from this rule right here. And together that adds up to also around 16%. So if we look at our answer choices, it says looking at the question, what group describes 16% of the population? Well, the people with an IQ score between 70 and 130, that's here and here. That's actually a lot more. That's actually 95% of the population if we look at our picture. Okay. So we would say this is not correct. People with an IQ score greater than 115%. So right here is 115%. So beyond 115%, from 15% and beyond, yes, that is 16%. So we say yes to that. Okay, let's look at the next one. People with an IQ score less than 100. So we look at 100. Less than 100 is from here down. And that's really that's 50%. So that's incorrect. Again, we want 16%. Here it says people with an IQ score less than, so this is wrong. So this less than 85. So 85 is right here. And under 85, that's all 16% as well. So yes to this one. So the answer are people with an IQ score greater than 115 and people with an IQ score of less than 85.